In this video, we will show you how to add a title to Rehearsal Assistant. Launch Rehearsal Assistant and log into an administrator account. Tap the hamburger menu at the top left of your screen and select Titles. To add a new title, tap the menu button at the top right of the screen and click Add Title. Fill in all of the appropriate fields. When determining the perform time, be as accurate as possible. This field is used to help in planning the length of a performance as well as helping in determining rehearsal time needed to rehearse. The copyright field is helpful when contacting the publisher when you are getting streaming or performance permissions. Another valuable field is the HTTP video performance link. If there is a link to an audio or video clip, enter that here. It will be available for the musicians to listen. To add composers and arrangers, click the Authors, etc. button. Then tap the menu button and click Add New Author. Fill in the fields and save. Since titles can have many different score types, like a conductor score, organ score, choral, orchestra, and handbells, we add each one of these individually. Click the Scores button. Tap the menu button at the top right and click the Add a Score button. Let's add a handbell score since it has some unique properties. Tap Select Score Type and select Handbells. Enter the handbell level. Note that this is very important in the algorithm used to help schedule rehearsal time for each piece. Enter the catalog number, a license number if you ordered a digital score, and finish up the remaining fields. Now click the Bells Used Assignments button. For example purposes, we are now displaying a typical handbells used chart that you would find at the beginning of every handbell score. Tap the menu button at the top right and click the Add Handbells in Use button. Tap the type of bell or instrument that this score represents. We are entering a handbell use chart for the primary set of bells. Note that if you have a chime part or an alternate set of bells, you will add it separately. If you are using a keyboard to add your bells use chart, there is a very quick shorthand method to type in the assignment. Always start from the lowest bell and work your way upwards. You can type them in exactly as you see them, or let me show you the quick entry method. Start by entering the lowest note. C2 space, D space, EB space for E flat, E space, F space, FF space. Note that if you type letter twice, it will add a sharp. Also, the octave is automatically added and will always assume the next logical octave. Continue adding all the bells till you are finished. For expediency, I will fast forward the rest of the chart. Now add the bells that have mallets. This will automatically assign the correct mallet for that bell when adding this title to our repertoire. Add any more bell sets, like chimes or alternate bells, on this screen. When you have finished all bell assignments, click the Save button. Lastly, if you have a PDF score that you would like to make available, upload it by clicking the Import PDF button. Make sure you have the appropriate licenses and permissions to distribute this score.